Namaste and welcome to the course Blockchain Technology and Applications. Blockchain has become a fascinating field for creating and implementing secure and trusted peer-to-peer applications. In this video, I will be presenting the course outline. I am Dr. P. Raghuvamsi, currently working as an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, JP Institute of Information Technology, Noida. This course, Blockchain Technology and Applications, is designed by observing the requirements of the students who wants to acquire the skills in the blockchain development. This course covers the technical and practical aspects of blockchain development. Also, this course helps students to gain the valuable skill set about blockchain basics, cryptocurrencies, decentralized applications, and related programming languages and tools for blockchain application development. We have been listening the word blockchain from past several years as a promising technology in the academia and industry. The objectives of the blockchain is to avoid the centralized authority, thereby creating a trusted peer-to-peer network for establishing trust and security in enterprise applications. First, the concept of blockchain is used with the famous cryptocurrency called Bitcoin. This cryptocurrency has been used the blockchain technology as the backbone for its functionality. Due to the openness of the Bitcoin, its source code has been replicated and extended to cater the needs of various application requirements. In this way, the functionality of the blockchain have been improved and now been used in various applications such as government applications, financial applications, healthcare, supply chain, manufacturing, digital media transfer, decentralized business logic, distributed resources, crowdfunding, and others. This course is designed to deliver the following course outcomes. Upon the completion of the course, students will be able to 1. Define what is blockchain and cryptocurrency and when and why blockchain is required with its application areas. 2. Understand and describe how blockchain works. Explain the underlying technology of transactions, blocks, proof of work, and consensus algorithms. 3. Identify and analyze the real-world problems that the blockchain is trying to solve. 4. Examine and implement tools and techniques to build a blockchain application. 5. Explore the platforms such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Hyperledger to create and evaluate blockchain applications. First, this course will start by introducing the blockchain and its primitives. Blockchain is said to be secure and trusted due to verification and validation of transactions, reaching consensus on generated transactions in peer-to-peer environment, and creating immutable records. To this end, the cryptographic primitives used for verification and validation in the peer-to-peer applications will be discussed, and then the popular consensus algorithms used for achieving trust are discussed. Next, since the Bitcoin blockchain is the mother of all blockchains, a case study of Bitcoin blockchain will be discussed. Next, another renowned blockchain platform that supports the cryptocurrency and smart contract code execution is called Ethereum blockchain, that will be discussed by introducing along with its underlying smart contract programming, that is by using Solidity programming language, and decentralized application development using Web3.js. Next, This course discusses another popular blockchain platform that supports only contract code execution, which is called Hyperledger blockchain. Finally, this course ends with a discussion on potential research directions in the field of blockchain. The following are the list of recommended readings for this course. Anyhow, the blockchain is a dynamic area in which new methods, techniques, and tools are evolving rapidly. Hence, along with the recommended readings, I will also refer various other trusted websites, blogs, and sources from blockchain platforms, authorities to teach this course. The corresponding citations will be provided wherever I refer them. Also, one can find the materials related to the lectures such as PPTs, study materials, reference links to the software used during the presentation, and others in the description section of the corresponding videos. So, let us start.